The all-new Regulator 30XO, delivering everything you need in a center console crossover. The 30XO offers easy access to skinny waters with the capability to head offshore when the time is right. The abundance of deck space, forward and aft casting platforms, standard live wells, and index fish box make it perfect for anglers. Equipped with Yamaha twin 300s with jack plates, optional half tower, and convertible tackle and entertainment center, you can also upgrade to the diamond quilted upholstery and add teak accents for a rich and classic look. This powerhouse crossover offers inshore, offshore attitude with big boat features. Call us to schedule a viewing or customize yours today.